Hello everyone! Today I'll be walking you through how to build our Readability Evaluator template from scratch. This tool evaluates the readability of your text using multiple metrics, including Flesch Kincaid, Dalechal, Flesch, ARI, Coleman-Liao, Gunning-Fogg, SMOG, SPOSH, and Linseer readability formulas. If you'd like to see it in action, there's a demo video linked in the description below. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the Templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. We'll start and finish by connecting the Readability Evaluator component, which is designed to gather the text you want to analyze. This could be anything from a blog post to an academic paper, or even marketing copy. This component is an all-in-one solution that provides a full analysis without dependencies. This comprehensive analysis provides insights into the complexity, grade level, and accessibility of your text, helping you fine-tune it for your target audience. Finally, we link it to the output component, so you can instantly view a detailed breakdown of the readability scores for each metric, along with actionable insights to optimize your writing. That's it! We've successfully built the Readability Evaluator template. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.